Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI just 4 days ago, to be precise, on March the 2nd of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $14.47. And I had basically two assumptions. First of all, on the bigger scale, we had 5 waves to the downside into the C wave. But at the same time, guys, I told you that we found, SOFI found quite decent support at $13.51 mark, and here was extremely risky but still viable long trade with the almost 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio, with a tiny 3.46% of downside potential and with about 34.1% of upside potential. And definitely I told you that it is extremely risky. Unfortunately, it didn't work, but at the same time, guys, my main assumption is still on the table. Let me show you, let me delete this too. We already formed the bottom of our third wave. We are about to see the retracement to the fourth wave, and then we might see another leg to the downside that will complete the fifth wave. And on top of that, guys, potentially we can have a chance to see this movement to the downside to complete the fifth wave right here. But everything I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for now I added the gold tier for limited 10 vacant places, and the only difference in between these two tiers is this one. Discord access member will have all the data for the potential trades, for the potential tickers that you should be aware of. But the gold tier members will have the exact setups with the stop loss and take profit orders. They will have the exact notifications when and how they should trade certain asset. On top of that, for each and every member, I will do a weekly 30 minutes Zoom calls in order to answer their question and in order to teach them how to properly use technical analysis and how to be successful trader. That is why, guys, for some of you, this might be a game changer opportunity. And if you want to drastically enhance your trading skills, feel free to invest in yourself. And guys, this is the most recent actions in my Discord group. Take a look right here. First of all, I want to show you that it is only 7 vacant places for the gold tier remains right now. And right here you can see that the most recent actions in my Discord group is following. One of my Discord member upgraded his membership to gold tier, and here's his update. Hello, Andrew. I upgraded gold to gold because I have learned so much in just 3 weeks, and it is absolutely worth it. I really enhance my skills, and it's a pleasure to have you as my mentor who checks my setups, my counts, and gives much input. And I responded to him. Thank you very much. It is only the beginning. I have many ideas about how my gold members can benefit even more. And guys, I made a lot of updates for my Patreons. I made crucial reminders about the events that might drastically impact the price. I made, let me show you, I made quite a few videos on demand on different ticker symbols that I don't publish publicly on YouTube. You can see it is a coin zone, PL, Palantir, MSTR, Tesla, Bitcoin, Teledoc, Porsche, PayPal, Amazon, and others. On top of that, guys, I publish a lot of tutorials with the exact real-time examples how you should or should not trade certain setups. And on top of that, guys, take a look right here. I might even recaps on my tutorials. Here's the result of the actual price action of the setup that I marked previously. And definitely, if you want to enhance your trading skills, guys, you should be a member of this Patreon group, because guys, for now I have only 4 active members, and 3 of them are the gold tier members. That is why, guys, when this tier is full, I will close it, I think, forever, and you will be able only to enter my Discord access, which is also extremely supportive for the traders, because I pretty much show all the details about the conditions of the market and the certain conditions on the asset. The only difference is that these people don't have one-on-one 30-minute Zoom call with me, and they don't have the precise setups that pretty much I take.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So, and let's take a look at the SOFI action in details. I want to pay your attention to the bigger picture again of this asset. Let's turn off all the tools and let me show you that SOFI is in retracement mode, and we almost complete, or I think we could have the bottom of the entire retracement right here. But to be honest, guys, the structure, the number of waves is not a perfect one. And I will show you what I'm talking about within just several minutes. But for now, guys, let me show you some fundamentals on SOFI stock. According to TipRank's website, we have another analyst who reiterated its rating, and it is a KBW, and here you can see the price target that was set just 3 days ago. They set the price target at $8, which is substantially lower compared to our actual price by more than by around 36%. And in general, guys, if you take a look at the sentiment for SOFI stock, if you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find a lot of news that might be a game changer for SOFI. But at the same time, I have to admit that if you dig deeper and if you know its fundamentals and if you know its technical setups, guys, definitely you shouldn't be worried about this stock, because this movement to the upside follows by quite healthy retracement, and in just several minutes I will show you what I'm talking about. But first of all, guys, let me show you again this information. As you can see, it is the SOFI Technologies institutional ownership, and we don't have any decrease in this number. But you have to keep in mind that the most recent updates were made, the most recent filings were made as deals at least 45 days prior these days. And in general, you can see that a lot of companies are buying or adding to their position. And for example, Vanguard just recently, just about a week ago, opened completely new position for $11.5 million. Another, their position of about $9.8 million was increased by almost 2%. Next one, again, right here, they increased by 6.43% another position, and for now they own almost $500 million in value in SOFI. So guys, to be honest, I'm bullish on SOFI and I still hold my long position, but this retracement is very healthy, and let me explain you where it might end. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if I turn on all the tools, let me show you this mess in details. Right here, we've completed from the bottom, from the beginning of August of 2024 to this highest point. We've completed 5 waves to the upside on the third wave on a bigger scale. And potentially, guys, we are seeking the 4th wave. And this is nothing else but an extension in a B wave. And for now, guys, we are seeking the bottom of the C. And according to Elliott wave theory, C wave should have 5 waves in it, and we have only 1 wave. This is the 2. This potentially might be 3. We are about to see the bounce to the 4th wave, and then another leg to the downside that will complete the 5th wave. And on the other hand, guys, you can see that first wave to the downside of the C wave was the biggest one. Next one, we have quite substantial retracement. Next one, another leg to the downside, and potentially, guys, we could even have this as our bottom of the 3rd wave. Let me switch to hourly time frame and let me show you this in details. As you can see, we have 1, 2, potentially this might be 3, and wow, I changed my mind, guys. We don't have 5 waves in the third wave to the downside. Potentially, yes, we have to see this bottom of the third wave somewhere at this range. Then we might have another leg to the upside to complete the fourth wave. And I don't think that it will hit much higher targets. I don't think that it will break even $15 mark, and then another leg to the downside that will form its bottom of the fifth wave and potentially the bottom of the C wave. And I have to admit that the trend reversal might happen basically anytime soon, because the movement to the downside from its swing high from this point already hit about 33% of the value, and even from this top, it is its previous swing high, but it is the top of the third wave. It lost about 28% of its value. Definitely, it is more than enough to see this retracement, to see the quite deep retracement. And I have to admit that with the breakout below this bottom, guys, we had a price target for the next wave at the level. Let me show you on a 2 or 3 hours time frame. Let me show you that the price target was set from the level of about $22.45 all the way up to potentially $31 or almost $32. But guys, I have to admit that I prefer to do one step at a time, and for now we have new lowest point for the retracement for the fourth wave potentially, but I think we might have another leg to the downside, and we will have to adjust this tool even more to the downside. But so far, guys, we have about $21.32 of the price target for the fifth wave, and to be honest, guys, I prefer to see the completeness of the C wave, and then I prefer to bet on its movement to the upside. So I think that's all the information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.